Are you having trouble getting Facebook to load, refresh, or work properly in Google Chrome? If so, you're not alone. And in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple and proven process to fix common Facebook issues right in Chrome. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to get Facebook working smoothly on your computer, but you'll also discover a few tech tips that can help you troubleshoot other website problems in Chrome too. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you've opened your Google Chrome browser. You want to start fresh here, so if you've got a bunch of tabs open, feel free to close any you don't need. Sometimes too many tabs, especially with heavy websites like Facebook, can slow things down or even cause glitches. Now, look up in the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see 3 little dots stacked vertically. That's Chrome's main menu button. Give those 3 dots a click. Go ahead. Don't worry, you won't break anything by clicking around Chrome's menu. From here, you'll see an option called History. Click on that. If you've ever wondered why websites sometimes don't load right or you keep getting random errors, it's often because of old browsing data clogging things up. That's why this step is so important. Once you're in the History menu, find and click on Clear Browsing Data. This is basically telling Chrome to clear out the cobwebs. Now, you'll see a box that asks you to choose a time range. For a thorough cleanup, set the time range to All Time. This makes sure you're deleting every bit of saved data, cookies, cached images, and site information from when you first started using Chrome. Sometimes, leftover data from months or even years ago can cause weird conflicts with new versions of websites like Facebook. Alright, now you'll see the option to clear data or delete data. Go ahead and click it. Chrome may take a few moments to process, especially if you haven't done this in a long time. Don't worry if your browser seems to pause for a bit. It's just working through your stored info. And by the way, you won't lose your saved passwords unless you specifically ticked that box, so your logins should stay safe. Once you've cleared your browsing data, scroll further down in the Chrome Settings menu. You're looking for a section called Reset Settings. If you've never used this before, it's a powerful little option that brings Chrome's configurations back to their original state. Think of it like giving your browser a quick tune-up, just like bringing your car in for regular maintenance. Click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Chrome will pop up a warning, just to make sure you want to do this, because any minor tweaks you've made, like custom search engines or changed homepage, will go back to factory settings. If you're okay with that, go ahead and confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This is a fantastic way to fix stubborn issues that just won't go away with basic troubleshooting. Once you've finished, restart Chrome and try opening Facebook again. It should load up with a clean slate, no pesky glitches or broken pages. If you sign back in and everything works, fantastic. If you still run into issues, it could be a sign of a deeper problem with Facebook's servers or your internet connection. But for most people, this reset will do the trick. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps me out. Got a question or still having trouble? Drop me a comment below. I check these regularly and would love to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy, step-by-step tech tips to keep your devices running smoothly. Good luck, and enjoy browsing Facebook hassle-free.